start with some breathing exercises. Some hand exercise. Okay, let's begin with the tweet that started it. Hey, what is up, guys? I'll be at the Twitter India Blue Room today. Now talking about all things gaming with these awesome people from the gaming scene. Adi, हाथ ऊपर. How many subscribers?
3.8 million.
You're supposed to say मैं नहीं check करता हूँ यार subscriber.
Okay, 400.
3.8 million 432.1. Sarcastic troller. दिख रहा है ना वहाँ से? सब ठीक है ना? High five. Model. Sorry, I mean Mortal 04907880. आपका आधार नंबर है क्या? What is going on? Why did you pick this username?
No, I'm inactive right now.
ठीक है.
हो जाएगा.
आप सो रहे इस वक्त?
Inactive
Inactive मतलब online.
Yeah.
Got it. Rakazone Gaming. What's up? What's up? Okay. So let's begin, guys. How's it feeling?
Amazing.
Enjoying yourselves in
Yes.
Mumbai? You
Yeah.
can get loose. Don't worry. So here we go. First question. Thoda serious question. This person was sending me this message like as if he was upset with me. I don't know kya hua, but he's saying, this is serious question to you. Do you consider people playing mobile games on PC as gamers? Only Mortal and Karan are making India proud in PUBG. What do you think, man?
No, basically, I believe that playing a mobile game on PC doesn't really matter until it's entertainment. So, for example, you know, Adi plays it on mobile on PC using emulator, so that's okay because he's doing it for fun and for entertainment. So that's fine.
So that's another point of discussion. Jo sab log, everybody is getting really like aggro over this emulator versus
mobile.
phone. Is there an advantage for people on emulators?
No, if you play with the mobile team plus emulator, you will face mobile players as well. But if you only play with emulator players, you will never face mobile players. So अगर आप खुद ही मोबाइल प्लेयर्स के साथ प्लस एमुलेटर प्लस करके खेल रहे हो तो एडवांटेज हमको पूरा है.
Somebody had made a comment online saying कि जो लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि people who are playing with emulators have an advantage. They're saying those people will win every game they play.
No.
Nothing like that.
No, as in like they're just whining and bitching about it. So do you guys feel like there's an advantage? There is no advantage.
No, it's all about strategy.
So how do you deal with all the hate messages that you all get every day about this discussion?
Dustbin.
Ignore if it doesn't make
Dustbin
sense.
mute blocking?
Ignore. No. Ignore
No.
if it doesn't make sense because people who know about it, they reply.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, very important question. Captain Sunshine, Thought Captain says, how much do they earn per month by playing? Don't give exact
It's
numbers
not
because
fixed.
income tax.
And it's not stable.
Yeah, it's not stable.
It's not stable and not fixed. It depends upon how long we play, and it depends upon everything because Super Chat is the primary source of income over here. So
Yeah, super chat and membership.
Super chat, membership, brand collaborations.
So I know that a lot of people are watching. They're watching and thinking कि मुझे भी ये करना है. And I'm sure you get this question a lot also.
Yeah.
So related to that, first, how old are you guys? If you don't mind me asking, what is the age group? Because people are watching and thinking, well, maybe they're in college, maybe they're in school. They're watching and thinking, मुझे भी ये करना है. What are their chances and how long did it take? So let's start from that side.
So normally there's no age group because I know a guy, he's from Indonesia and matlab I heard about him and he's 8 years old. And yet he's
me online. I'm the same guy.
he also streams and he's pretty good at the game. So mainly he's 8 years old. So mainly it all depends on how your gameplay is and how you entertain your crowd.
Okay.
But the question remains how old?
So yes,
I'm 20.
he's asking. मैं नहीं पूछ रहा.
I'm 20.
I mean, that was a
बदतमीज.
primary
How
question.
can you be like this, yaar?
That was a primary
Yeah,
question.
that was the primary question. 18.
I'm 21.
18. Got it.
I'm 22.
22.
Yeah.
24.
I'm 26.
26.
अरे भैया.
Very good. So then you guys are saying it is possible to be at this age and make that kind of money. Is it good money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
For a health.
Guys be like mafia. God, that's Are you all paying your GST, your taxes?
Yeah.
At the young age, you all would have to learn about taxes and stuff. I learned about this only when I was in my 30s because that's when I started earning money. So
How old are you?
I am now in my 50s. You guys have you all heard of dial-up?
Yeah.
I was born with dial-up. वो time पे you would have never heard
Okay,
these
you
sounds.
used that one?
या नहीं उस पे
Pager.
आप मेरी ले रहे हो ठीक है. Let's move to some more questions. So the money is good.
Yeah.
It is possible. What if there is right now एक बंदा घर पे बैठा है and he's thinking, man, even I want to be a gamer, I want to be a streamer, I want to make money of this. Can they wake up tomorrow and start doing this?
No, it's not the instant money.
So it takes like about
It
a
takes
year.
investment and dedication.
For like
For proper,
streaming, you
you
need
know.
to make investment also in terms of hardware also. Hardware,
Exactly.
internet.
So if someone is ready to invest and if he's dedicated, it takes time, but then this is the initial phase where you have to invest and you have to be
तो
dedicated.
शुरू में आपके कितने followers थे? Do you remember a time when you had
Yeah.
very low
Yeah.
subscribers and all? मेरे तो अभी भी ऐसे ही
I
है.
started from zero.
Everybody started from zero, I guess.
My 3 subscribers were my mom, dad, and sister.
Oh, fantastic.
So basically, I started from 3
My
subscribers.
first subscriber was my other ID, so
I never did that.
That's a good strategy.
Yeah.
Engagement, get the engagement up. So, how long to go from 0 subscribers to where you are now?
So I've been streaming for 3 years now, so it took me 3+ years, yeah.
Wow. And for you, you would say the benefits or it started catching on after how long?
I would say a year and a half.
Okay.
After most famous personalities started streaming, you would say from the other industry come up, from like you would say famous YouTubers started streaming, came into streaming line. Then people got to know that streaming is a thing. पहले तो people used to come to the stream and say अबे क्या कर रहा है, बाप के पैसे उड़ा रहा है क्या, बाप के पैसे से PC बनाया है, कुछ काम वाम नहीं है, पढ़ता नहीं है, ये वो. So now people know that streaming is a thing. So yeah, 1.5 year.
1.5 year for you. What about you?
1.5.
I've been on YouTube since 2016, and in 2018 August, that's when I had 600 subscribers. So right after 2018 August, it started to boost up, and right now it's 1.6, 1.5.
Please don't show off. Huh?
No, I'm just
we're
telling
discussing.
I'll be
that it doesn't take
I'll
time.
grind
It
the
depends
corner.
upon various factors.
Chance पे dance ले रहा है. Okay.
As for me, it's quite a small journey because मेरे को इतना struggle वगैरह कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा.
क्या बात है? मुझे struggle नहीं करना पड़ा.
बना बनाया मिला.
Because I used to play, I was already known in the gaming community, just
Okay.
wasn't on any social platform. So when I came, there was already a name of mine, and then it all boosted.
I'm sure everybody asks you like, what is it like to be a female gamer? Like, as if you're a different
Actually,
species.
they do.
आप दूसरा planet से आए हो, अपना spaceship में से. How does it feel? ऐसा क्या ले? But do you get a lot of strange comments?
I get a hell lot of strange
I
comments.
knew
Like
the answer
बहुत
is yes,
irritating
yes.
होता है वो. Initially when I started streaming बहुत ज़्यादा hate मिला था, and at a time I lost it. I literally said I'm no more gonna stream. Yes, that's it. मतलब मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया था, अब मैं कोई स्ट्रीम नहीं होगी, गेम नहीं खेलना, सब वापस जैसे खेलते. फिर उसके बाद माय फ्रेंड्स केम एंड सेड कि क्यों ऐसा कर रही है, वो तो बोलते रहेंगे.
Don't jump. अभी नहीं दे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Then currently now the guys who used to hate, they are my biggest supporters. Like
Boom, there you
that's
go. Haters are actually lovers who don't know it yet.
Yes.
Like मैं प्यार करता हूँ. Wow, fantastic. Okay. Some more questions. Let's check. Okay, here we go. Siddhant Khare says, what's his username? Siddhant_2407. He's living in the future. Siddhant wants to know, Rakazone, how do you manage late night streaming with 11 to 12 hours of job?
Here.
नहीं, he's looking into my eyes. So I just
Oh. I'm used to it now. I mean, gaming
what-
and streaming.
What about other things in your life? Bathroom, khana?
वो हो जाता है. During the stream, कभी-कभार खाना, having the
during
stream.
the stream. And people are like, ये लो, पैसे लो.
Hello chair. Chats are like hello chair. So I'm used to it now. I mean, I love gaming. I love streaming. Office में मैं जब भी बैठा होता हूँ, I just keep thinking कि खत्म हो, I'll go home, start streaming.
But what's your day job like? क्या करते हैं?
I'm in Accenture, working as a senior analyst into digital marketing thing.
And does your boss come and check? कि क्या कर रहे हो?
No. But they know I do this.
All tab.
But they know I do.
In case.
Hmm.
They know.
So, they know. So it's a 10-hour shift plus 1.5 hour of traveling, then coming back streaming.
Wow. तो आप सोते नहीं हो?
सोता हूँ 4 to 5 hours. Weekends, yeah, weekends I sleep like 12 hours. Nobody disturbs me. But on weekdays 4 to 5 hours.
Like don't disturb him. वो पागल हो जाएगा. He just sleeps for 4 hours. Wow, man. So you survive on 4 to 5 hours?
Yeah, day.
Oh, dude. And you guys? You all are playing whole day.
Not whole day, but
No
8
job.
to 10 hours a day.
हाँ?
8 to 10 hours a day.
यही सब करते हो? हाँ? What about at home? लोग क्या बोल? घर पे क्या बोलते लोग?
खेलो
खेलो.
Really?
Yeah, now they are okay.
My family it was different. They like क्या खेल रहे हो?
हाँ मेरा भी ऐसे ही
तू भी खेल रहा है?
था वो बाद
Starting में यही था,
स्टार्टिंग में
but
यही
when
था
they saw that, अमिताभ बच्चन।
2015 2016 तक यही था. लाइक पीसी टच करने ही नहीं मिलता था. बट जब उनको पता लगा कि यार चलो कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है लड़का तो खेल भाई.
क्या कर रहे हो? इनकॉग्निटो टैब में क्या कर रहे हो?
नहीं वो कुछ नहीं.
Wow. So then, when your parents realize कि this is getting traction, it's legit, actually कुछ हो रहा है, you're not just telling lies or खेल रहे हो, then they were like, okay, let me support you.
Yeah.
Was there ever a discussion घर पे कि ये आपको करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए?
हाँ
Yeah?
Yeah.
तो like physics करो, डॉक्टर बनो.
नहीं मतलब वही है जैसे मैं लॉ करने वाला था सो देखा कि फर्स्ट मंथ में देयर वाज एन इनकम सो देन दे सेड ठीक है एक महीना देख
You were
एक
going to
साल
do law?
या आई वाज अबाउट टू डू लॉ बीकॉम खत्म ही हुआ था एंड तभी मेरा मतलब एलएलबी का एंट्रेंस दे रहा था एंड बूस्ट हो गया यूट्यूब तभी एकदम
Your Honor, advocate खेल रहा है अपना फोन पे. Wow.
And I'm still trying to convince my family. Job
कि
छोड़
ये
के I
legit
do
है.
it.
So I think सबसे easy मेरा ही होगा. मेरा कोई डिस्कशन नहीं था. जस्ट एक पापा के फ्रेंड ने घर पे फ़ोन किया था कि आपका लड़का डायनामो है क्या. तो पापा वाज लाइक कि कौन डायनामो भाई. मैं किसी डायनामो को नहीं जानता. तो कहते हैं उसका नाम तो आदित्य सावंत है. तो वो तो मेरे लड़के का नाम है. तो अच्छा तो डायनामो ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या. तो फिर पापा आके पूछे कि क्या क्या डायनामो मतलब क्या होता है. मैं बोला कुछ नहीं होता. तो बोलते तू कंप्यूटर में बैठ के डायनामो खेलते रहता है क्या. तो मैंने बोला मैं खेलता नहीं वो नाम है मेरा उस इन गेम नेम में बोला. तो तब से लाइक पापा बोले कि चलो ठीक खेल. लाइक किसी ने पूछा कि है तो उनको लगा कि हाँ चलो कोई पूछ रहा है मेरे बारे में. सो ओके ऐसा था.
Sweet. At least he was not saying कि देखो तुम्हारा बेटा क्या कर रहा है.
नहीं शर्मा जी लड़का क्या कर रहा है तुम्हारा लड़का क्या कर रहा
गंदे
है.
गंदे वीडियोस बना रहा है वो होजे की तरह. Wonderful. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this is a very good one. Bharat Vinod 2. There must be a Bharat Vinod 1 somewhere because he's 2. He says if PUBG was wiped away, what games would you popular PUBG streamers take up? अगर कल बंद हो गया, सब बोलना नहीं चाहिए, but अगर बंद हो गया.
So I'm not a hardcore PUBG streamer, so I stream random games, so it's easy for me.
So then in your case the question would be what is your the next best thing?
I'll do IRL stream in real life, nothing, just chatting with viewers, chilling, listening music.
ये मैं वड़ा पाव खा रहा हूँ,
हाँ
ये चाय है.
हाँ पिज्ज़ा ऑर्डर करने वाला हूँ, कौन सा करूँ आज.
And people are waiting for you to shoot someone.
हाँ
उसको मारो, गोली मारो. All right. What about you guys?
I started playing lots of games before PUBG like GTA 5 and all. So if PUBG gets wiped out, I'll play the new viral game if it comes and it takes the place of PUBG, and also switch to PC games as well.
Okay. But as of right now, अगर बंद हो गया, what would you play?
PUBG PC, because I used to play PUBG PC a lot.
You started with PUBG.
Yeah.
Mortal.
अदर बैटल रॉयल गेम्स तो उसमें आता है साइबर हंटर है एंड अदर सच गेम्स या
You know ना people are commenting saying Mortal को बोलो, उसको बोलो, दूसरा भी गेम खेलो. People are going mad. उसको दौरे पड़ रहे हैं वहाँ पे. He's going crazy like Mortal को बोलो.
कंपटीशन का ये चल रहा है ना तो
See, but your fans they feel like they own you now.
Yeah.
Over time they feel like जो वो
We are
लोग बोलते हैं
connected.
वो आपको वही करना चाहिए. So what are you guys doing this for though? आप लोग क्यों? Why do you do this? Are you doing it for the comments, for the notifications, for the
At
fame?
some point you have to be on that platform for other people. एक टाइम तक आप अपने लिए खेलते हो, एक टाइम तक आप अपने लिए एंटरटेन खेलते हो, बट एक टाइम के बाद आप उनके लिए खेलते हो. सो अगर वो एंटरटेन हो रहे तो आपको वो लाइक एक प्रोडक्ट या आपको वो स्ट्रीम करनी पड़ेगी उनके लिए या वो गेम प्ले उनको दिखाना पड़ेगा.
I think one good discussion to have is कि लोगों को लगता है कि it's very easy to play online and stream and reply to comments and
No.
talk to people.
नॉट इजी
It's not.
I can tell you कि I have tried it and I started twitching and all. I don't know.
आपको
कि
बहुत
क्या
सारी
हो गया.
गालियाँ
My
पड़ती
brain
है.
was not working. Only one side was working. I believe people who are able to play video games and stream and do all this, both sides of your brains are working. What are your thoughts on this? How tough is it really?
See, we goes through gameplay, then second monitor, chat, super chat, then normal comments. अगर एक chat miss हो गया तो गाली आती है कि तूने मेरा super chat miss किया, अब तू गाली खा. So हमको बहुत कुछ देखना पड़ता है.
Chat close, एक बंदा randomly आया, तू मुझे ignore कर रहा है. I just scroll up, भाई तूने message नहीं किया, तेरा पहला message यही है, तू मुझे ignore कर रहा है.
We're getting emotional. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let's go through some more questions. Okay, fair question. Mr. Hoff Gaming. Hoff Gaming. Hoff. Anybody knows you guys know this guy?
No.
Okay. Please ask these questions to Mortal. If every IPL team had an official PUBG squad to compete in the competition, then which team would you like to choose? This is thoda Simi Garewal.
Chennai Super Kings.
Okay. Chennai Super. You've thought about this before, clearly.
No, but then people, you know.
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
most popularity चेन्नई से इसलिए.
Okay,
हाँ,
fair
मतलब-
enough.
अच्छा.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, आई स्टे इन मुंबई, ऐसा भी नहीं, बट ऑन स्ट्रीम आई सपोर्ट मुंबई क्योंकि मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आई डोंट वॉच आईपीएल एज सच, बट देन
करना पड़ेगा.
हर एक team अच्छा है.
When will the esports scene be on par with the West and China, where they sell out stadiums for events? Good question, I think. And going by your subscribers and the amount of people who are commenting and following, I think it's definitely caught on like in a huge way. Bhai, you all know that I'm from the dial-up time. You guys would not be able to stream also. Forget posting a picture. Picture bhi nahi jayega. At least these days you have amazing internet. So what do you guys think? How long before we get to that point जहाँ पे हम लोग stadium में बैठे हैं and Dhoni is like, अरे Mortal go! Like Dhoni bhai बैठना रुक. I'm concentrating.
Well, actually, that scenario is coming. Means like finally, gaming esports scenario is coming to India, and even everyone is kind of supporting it right now.
There are events like ESL, which
It's
happened in
already
Mumbai,
started,
DreamHack Mumbai. They are happening, but it's gonna take time when more brands gonna come up, more content creators, gamers, more games, popular games.
So since you're in touch with the scene, ballpark you feel like this is like 6 months away, a year and a half?
unpredictable right
It's
now.
gonna take at least
Yeah,
2
maybe
years, at least 2
2020
years.
can be
220.
in India.
After 2 years, people will take this video out and say, आपने बोला था 2 साल में हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Alright. Oh, what an amazing question. Tushar Pomo of known. I don't know how people choose their usernames. Mortal bhai. This person is asking, please ask Mortal. Another question for Mortal. Has he ever had a crush on a video game character?
No. Video game character.
Mine was Geralt from The Witcher. But आपका?
Okay, नहीं.
Lara
Nobody?
Croft.
बोल दो
नहीं,
भाई.
मैंने वैसे खेला ही नहीं है ना इतना. I used to play mobile games only. वो भी 2D games खेलता था मैं पहले.
Are there any games you are really bad at?
In the beginning, in every game I'm bad at it. Yeah. With practice हो ही जाता है. No particular game ऐसा.
Monopoly, hopscotch. Somebody was asking कि giveaway कब होगा? भाई साहब.
आज.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a very serious question. This question is from me. Okay, so be very honest. I know, might want to lie about this. Have you ever played Clash of Clans?
No.
सच बताओ.
No.
बहुत जल्दी बोल दिया. You have an account somewhere.
No.
Any games that you are ashamed of playing?
No such.
Yeah.
मतलब
So only you then. Don't know what kind of question this is, but RoboTM says this question is for Rishabh. When is he going to clean shave?
When I'm gonna crawl. PewDiePie.
Who is your favorite Indian stream?
Indian streamer. Favorite Indian streamer. Robo.
He said also answer is RoboTM for sure. Dick, I'm not kidding.
Wow.
This person knows you very well. Pratik Danodia says, I want promotion of my channel till 10k to 20k subs only. If you need money, then it's okay, but please help me with my channel.
Give my email ID.
Actually, even I need help, guys. I will be sending you my accounts. So, you guys are some of the few people in the world actually who have touched the OnePlus 7.
Yeah.
Correct. I'm on a OnePlus 6T. You are also on a OnePlus 6T currently. So, what was that like? How much time did you guys spend with it? And gaming-wise, performance?
So it was in our hand. We played like 1 or 2 games, and man, I was literally in love with that.
But लेना चाहिए था ना. You should have just been like,
Definitely
अरे सचिन
लेना
तेंदुलकर. किधर गया? किधर गया? फोन मेरे पास. Model?
बहुत अच्छा था performance wise. Considering Android phone है बहुत मजा आया उस पे खेल के.
Excuse me? Oh, what do you mean considering Android phone है?
थोड़ा सच.
How dare you? मारो उसको. मारो. Yeah, so you enjoyed it? Good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Do you
It
take
was
pictures
fun.
while gaming? I'm kidding. I'm just joking. Nobody does
Not
that.
pictures while gaming, but then we clicked pics, yeah, selfies and stuff. So it was good. The camera is also good,
The best part I found
and
out
it's
is
lightweight.
Light.
the sound clarity. So I'm a big Netflix fan. So I watch a lot of shows. So I can actually watch without headphones clearly. I mean,
I-
two people can actually watch clearly.
So when you guys game on mobile, usually what are the problems that you guys go through?
Ping drops, like frame drops. So
Trading
our
issues.
game like
Battery.
lags a lot whenever there's a team near us. So mainly that's the biggest issue. But from the way, from the game we played, that's something we didn't face in that 1+7.
And some of your sessions go on for how long, yaar? Like I was watching one of your streams was like 2 hours long, at least 2 hours
2 hours is the minimum, I would say.
minimum.
Yeah, people stream for like 10 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours. So all usually does a 6 or 5 hour stream a day.
Stream of for like 6 hours per day.
So they both do 2 shifts in the afternoon and then the night, right? So I do it like full night.
Man, you're saying shift and all. जैसे कि the security guard comes, he punches out. He's like,
No,
अरे
it's like
आपका
a
shift
work,
हो
it's
गया,
like
आ
a
जाओ.
job now.
Wow,
It's
dude.
all like a job now. We have our time that we are going to stream at this time. We have the schedules, everything.
It's like you have to, like you go in the office and you report to your boss, but in our case, हम stream पे जाते हैं and we have to report our viewers.
अगर वो नहीं आते तो नहीं आया. अगर 2:30 बजे बोला है and if you come at like 2:35 or 40, chats में पहले होगा late. Hi, late
से start होगा.
You're late.
Wow. What luck now? People can only give money and not take money.
हाँ.
In the super chat. Imagine super chat. अरे
Late है.
2 minutes late. 50 rupees cut. Damn, that'd be crazy. I should not give people these ideas. नहीं? But once the phone releases, I'm guessing you guys are all going to shift to it.
Yeah,
obviously.
definitely.
Yeah. Fantastic, man. Okay. Heating when you are using your mobile phone and playing,
Yeah.
Yeah, heating, battery issues.
and especially for our weather
Usually
also.
जब हाई मतलब बैटरी हाई रहता है तब नहीं हीट होता है, बट देन जैसे 20% 30% इस फेज में बहुत हीट अप हो जाता है मोबाइल डिवाइस खेलते वक्त.
Very important question. You're on 2% battery.
5%
Okay.
battery and then too we are streaming.
You're lost in the jungle. सिर्फ 2% battery है. Your options are you can call home or you can play one last game.
One last game.
One last game.
One last game.
Fair enough. Fair enough. घर पे बोल दो. Please just check my last status where I was.
खेलने बैठा हूँ.
Okay. Who are your favorite streamers? So people are your fans, but who would you guys recommend as of right now to people who are watching? This is a question from RoboTM only, but who would you recommend people watch?
So मैं स्ट्रीमिंग करने से पहले जब स्ट्रीम्स
You
देखता
cannot
था,
name yourself.
हाँ हाँ
Ha.
तो मैं जिसका स्ट्रीम देखता था इज निंजा. सो या बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी एंटरटेनिंग, मज़ा आता था उसका देखने में. सीरियस गेम प्ले तो मतलब सीरियस गेम प्ले उसका कुछ होता ही नहीं था. ही इज़ ऑलवेज अ स्किलफुल प्लेयर. सो मतलब जब जीतता भी था एंड इट वाज ऑलवेज फन. तो या निंजा.
Okay.
फोर्टनाइट प्लेयर
For
बाय द
me,
वे.
it used to be Shroud. Mainly like the first stream, the first person whose gameplay I watched, that was Shroud.
But
And
क्या अच्छा लगा in these people's streams? See, I'm sure you
the
get
way
all the
they
comments.
talk with like entertain their viewers, that's something like which attracted me because he's always talking while playing, and his mainly the reaction time and the aim of that guy is like next level. He's like a aimbot, human aimbot.
Dr. Disrespect, I will say.
Okay.
Because I can actually relate. He used to work, then he quit the job, so I can actually relate him.
Yeah.
So for the people who are actually working and are thinking of streaming or are doing, I have a lot of friends who work and streams, so we can actually relate him. So
शादी वादी के बाद क्या करोगे तुम लोग? When you have a kid and all.
so
कैसे
Dr.
करोगे?
Disrespect have a daughter also.
Okay.
So वो भी आ जाती है कई कभार, sit around chill.
So he locks his family members in the bathroom. कैसे करते हो? How are you guys going to manage
So
in the future?
separate room, we have a separate room.
तो बच्चा बाहर से डैडी प्लीज अंदर आने दो डैडी नहीं मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ आई एम वर्किंग वाओ मैन that's the future for you guys best of luck with that you guys have said on record that you would like to give Jose money ऐसा ही It's really nice of you guys to say that and now that we have this admission on camera we'll collect the money later oh good question how many hours a day do you all play and दर्द वर्द होता है does your back start paining do your eyes start paining what kind of stuff do you go through start from there Raven
Normally I stream like 4 hours in one shift, like in one schedule, and then 2 hours after that.
मेरा पहला शिफ्ट में मैंने ऐसा कर दिया दूसरा शिफ्ट में चौथा शिफ्ट तक मैं मर गया wow man
So normally like 4 घंटे stream करने के बाद I'm done. I just go and sleep or like just go out and एक दो चक्कर लगा के फिर वापस घर.
मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं यार
हाथ नहीं दुखता mainly बैठे पीठ दुखने लग जाती है.
so tired today how many hours mortal
7 to 8 hours. मतलब ये on stream and off stream है. Off stream is because I'm in competitions, so खेलना पड़ता है. Off stream भी. On stream तो it's totally entertainment, and off stream पूरा serious game play होता है.
dude how many hours
7 to 8 hours on stream and 2 to 3 hours off stream.
so you guys are not editing your videos y'all
I do.
do you spend time editing so that means if you've recorded for 2 hours then you're watching that again for 2 hours
Yeah. Or we do have options in the software. We can just clip it. For example, if I hit a nice clip or some funny moment, so you can just
pick it at that point
pick it.
okay wow so that's a lot of time so what advice would you have for people young people watching you right now who are thinking मुझे भी ये करना है what are the mistakes you made जो उनको नहीं करना चाहिए like I can start by saying maybe blink your eyes while watching I keep telling my daughter please blink your eyes she's just watching like that all the time Peppa Pig I'm like please blink your eyes but at least we are adults so we remember but what advice would you give people watching what should they do नहीं करना चाहिए जो नहीं करना चाहिए while playing see this is your life now you're in front of screens all the time
So firstly, I mean, you should play it as a, it should be a passion. So that's the reason you're following it. You have to focus on your studies and everything. That's the main point. Because even that's the thing which I did. I used to study and play for few hours before. I mean, 7 hours is now, but then back then it was like 3 hours, 4 hours. So study is very important and rest तो लेना ही है बीच बीच में. But 4 hours में usually आजकल कोई rest लेता नहीं है. 4 hours ऐसे निकल जाता है. मतलब कितना एक गेम आधा घंटा अगर चल गया तो फटाक से हो जाता है.
what do you all do for breaks break के लिए क्या करते हो
ब्रेक वही होता है कि खत्म हुआ फिर
जाके स्निकर लेके आते खाना बस.
that's not a good message
नीचे
that's
जाओ
not a
फिर
good message कुछ अच्छा बोलो book पढ़ो या something कुछ ऐसा बोलो educational
इतना नहीं.
Go for a walk.
go for a walk
Yeah. Physical activity.
Yeah.
you're like wow paid
मैं मेरे डॉग को पकड़ता हूँ उसको पट्टा बांधता हूँ जबरदस्ती चल घूम के आते हैं.
you have a Doberman
Yeah.
beautiful dog I saw okay
Thank
so
you.
I have a Dachshund.
10 points oh be 20 points for you
Pommy pom.
Pom 3 dog owners you 20 points minus for you sir you do not have a dog okay gender divide थोड़ा वो serious space में है but we should talk about it
Yeah,
obviously are there more guys in gaming it sounds like a stupid question but I'll ask it anyway more guys in gaming
India, yeah, you can say, obviously.
Yeah,
but
India.
if you're gonna consider abroad esport, there are equally teams for women's and men's. Taking any sport, you can pick up any sport, whether it's CS:GO, PUBG, Fortnite. They have a separate women's team. They have separate men's team.
if I was to ask you right now can you name all the female gamers in India other than you
I know Saya. Now I know Manasvi. And other than that, I don't know anyone in India.
I mean I'm sure there are gamers who are not maybe not yet reached that level of
They are
popularity
not
yet
on
yeah, they're not in front of the community but they play.
but people who are popular so you named 3
Yeah.
same subset
yeah, मतलब वही वैसा ही है सब. मनस्वी, रेवन.
okay so what are the comments like
Currently,
a
since like
girl?
I have supporters, so it's completely cool. There's no issue.
अच्छा,
But
so if somebody says something, they come and say, hey, chup.
yeah, exactly. वो पर गाली गलौज उसको करके and my mods are like really good, so वो पूरा ban कर देते
और
हैं.
आप
Now
मजा
my
लेते हो
chat
ये
is
सब चीज़ों
completely non-toxic, but when I started, it used to be like completely 18 plus toxic, next level. मतलब
Oh my
I was
God.
not able to look at the chat at that moment. कि ये क्या चल रहा है? मैं
Imagine
I'm trying to play, not like giving.
maybe very hurtful, like a message that you said,
Yeah.
नहीं करना है. Sorry, this.
There was one time when I got this. I was playing real bad. Like actually that day I was sick. And मैंने stream के
हाँ
starting में
good
बोला था.
excuse हाँ. That day I was sick. ठीक है. और बताओ.
So मैंने stream के starting में बोल दिया था कि but that guy came and I was not able to play. मैं बार like मर रही थी. तो he started like abusing my family, like my sister and everyone. So I'm like, dude, how are you bringing my mother father in this? Like तुम कौन? That time I like raged like.
सेंस नहीं बनता है वो जब
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
बोलते हैं वो तो है.
I know. मैं 2007
बट
से
ये अब हम
ठीक है.
समझ चुके हैं कि you know,
अब like इनको ignore करना
So yeah, that's a something people end up discussing a lot is, do you feed the trolls or do you just ignore them?
Now we ignore them.
we have
पहले
to
आप
learn to
reply
ignore
करते थे?
them.
We have.
I
पहले हम
troll
reply.
back.
You troll back. What about you guys? Are you any gali galot situation?
I used to troll back, but I just ignore now.
Totally ignore. You never replied before
नहीं
also.
वो रिप्लाई कर वो लोग ही रिप्लाई कर देते हैं.
Yeah,
मतलब
chats.
कोई और
अच्छा.
रिप्लाई कर देता है
Chat
उन्हें.
is now like वही देख लेते हैं. हाँ ठीक है बंदा आया.
I think we should talk about this, Mr. PewDiePie. What- Honest opinion, how do you feel about PewDiePie? He reminds me of Jimmy Shergill. You can start.
Well, I just started like I used to watch him really like 2 years back. Then his content became bit boring, so बंद कर दिया था. Then this
सुन रहा है Pewds? Sorry guys. Sometimes he watches my. Man, we've covered quite a lot of stuff. Is there anything that you guys want to talk about as people who stream and game? Some kind of message that you want to put out?
well, I want that girls should also enter this community. It's a good scope for them and like कोई है ही नहीं यार. Step up लो आओ and कुछ
Maybe some advice to men who you've interacted with online on the platform, things that see, as men we are quite disconnected from the world. मैं बोल सकता हूँ as a man. So if there's something that you feel like you would want to tell men about how they should be or how they should not be when they encounter a female gamer.
Well, normally like whenever I encountered someone, एक चीज़ है, they think that we are noobs, that we don't know how to play. They never understand that we are still learning. Like even though we are not learning, like we are not on that level, but we will reach that level at least at some point. And बहुत बार like मेरा game अगर बहुत अच्छा जाता है, high kills भी जाते हैं, then too they are like at the end noob. या किसी और से सीखो. Why are they comparing us with like others?
Men are never satisfied. अभी क्या करें?
They should
Interesting
stop
points.
comparing.
And enjoy.
Okay. Now, as guys, things that you have noticed about the way guys behave when they encounter female gamers. Mortal 007955623
So they judge a woman, मतलब पूरी तरह जज करते हैं सबसे पहले तो. I mean voice से लेके गेम प्ले everything they judge, okay. And बोलना तो चलो it doesn't make sense whatever they speak on stream. मतलब जब chat करते हैं वो लोग तो कुछ भी टाइप करके देंगे. But we have learned to ignore that and doesn't really matter क्योंकि जब वो कुछ बोलता है तो I am pretty sure कि 10 लोग support करने आ जाते हैं अब.
Yeah.
So that's the best part. And we have our mods, YouTube moderators who also help us out कि I mean कोई बेवजह toxic हो रहा है chat में, so he'll I mean either get a timeout or he'll be hidden from the channel. So for example जैसे इसने कहा कि इसने 30 kills भी कर लिया अगर और high kills game निकाल लिया, still someone calls him noob, तो वो तो है ही नहीं supporter किसी भी angle से. And
Shame you guys leaving your phones on during an interview. Hello, I'll call you back. Yeah, sorry.
so that's when moderators उसको hide कर देते हैं. So chat clean रहती है इससे.
And yeah, इससे एक चीज़ और है. Like most many times what they
शुरू
do
हो
is
गया,
like-
शुरू हो गया. Don't worry, go for it. बोल दो.
बहुत बार like लोग है ना just भाव खाने के लिए क्या attention के लिए भी उल्टा सीधा कमेंट करते हैं. Because when I reply to them, मैंने बस ये attention के लिए बोला. अरे यार तुम गाली
Very annoying,
attention के
na,
लिए क्यों
very
दे
annoying.
रहे हो?
People are a little mental, I think. Very nice. Chalo, bye guys. Man, that was a really good discussion. I think we covered a lot of ground, dude. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I also learned a lot of stuff, and I'm going to try streaming. I will fail miserably because as you guys know, my brain does not work. I'm like, "Arey, wo kya bol raha hai udhar? Arey, I got killed. Headshot." Damn. So thank you guys. Thank you for being on this stream. Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. And so my channel, I'll just give you all the details.
Tweet.
कितना पैसा, whatever, कुछ मांडवली अगर हम लोग कर सकते हैं. Just if you can say some nice things about my channel.
ठीक.
कि he looks like Shakib Al Hasan. कुछ तो no? हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
Fantastic. Thank you for watching. घर जाओ क्या what अब क्या बैठे हो? They're still here. अरे जाओ ना.